By Nazi sinkings of unarmed Brazilian vessels, the wanton killing of Brazilian citizens, a neutral nation rises to demand war upon Germany and Italy. Massing before the Chamber of Deputies, an aroused people hear patriots declare that this assault upon Brazil's honor shall not go unchallenged. The German embassy is closed. Its diplomats, along with the Italians, are held to ensure the safety of Brazilians in Axis countries.